Hey everyone, I'm Amanda with Sweet Pieces, and today I want to tell you all about a new product that we're offering here at Sweet Pieces. It's General Finishes water-based wood stain. So we've been carrying General Finishes gel stain products for quite a few years, and we love them, and they are awesome, but they are oil-based, so they take a little bit more care in the prep work. And also, it's a longer dry time. So it's a minimum of 6 to 8 hours between coats. And then you have to wait several days before you use the water-based top coat because you're going from oil to water. You could use oil-based top coat, but we don't carry the oil-based here because, again, it's just a lot of our clients, they want things done really, really fast. So they're trying to get to the next step. So oil-based products, we've kind of shied away from them. Gel stain was an exception because it's an amazing product. And we are still going to carry 3 of the colors. We're going to carry Java because everyone loves Java gel stain. We're also going to carry black, and we're going to carry, what's the other color? Is it carbon gray? Oh, antique walnut, sorry. So those are like our 3 most popular gel stain products. So we're going to keep those. However, you know, I'm always on the hunt for the latest and greatest, and this new product by General Finishes is pretty amazing. It's revolutionary. Another one of the reasons why we loved gel stain is because you didn't have to completely strip the surface in order to use gel stain, which again is what a lot of our clients like to do. They don't want to have to strip everything down. So this new water-based wood stain product is the same as gel stain in the sense that you don't have to completely strip your surface. You can just give it a light sanding and then apply the water-based stain. And then you can go ahead and apply your top coat, your water-based top coat, like within 6 to 8 hours. So you could be done with your project in one day. And that's always a really, really good thing here at Sweet Pieces. We want to be able to go start to finish on our products in a day. So that's what we love. So anyway, I'm going to talk to you a little bit today about how to use the water-based wood stain product. Now, there's a couple of different ways. Today's video is going to be on using it on raw wood. So before we got on camera here, we did a coat of the pre-stain conditioner from General Finishes, which is basically just like a natural stain color. It's essentially the stain without any stain in it. So it's, if you just have wood and you want to seal it, this is a great product to use. But when you have raw wood and you want to give it like a consistency, you want to use the pre-stain finish before you put the new water-based wood stain product on it. So we did the pre-stain conditioner on this board before we got on camera. This is just, you know, I don't know, a 1x10 that we had laying around. And here's the finicky part. You have to coat this with your stain between 20 and 30 minutes of when you apply the pre-stain conditioner. So you don't have a ton of wiggle room there. We timed ourselves and we're running around like lunatics trying to make sure we did this correctly. So we did it. It's been 20 minutes. Now I'm stirring up my water-based wood stain. And we're using a color called Provincial. This is a really pretty, it's a very, very dark, rich brown color. Doesn't really have red in it, which I love. It's just a really nice, rich brown. So I'm putting a little bit onto one of my favorite synthetic brushes, a Klingon brush. We carry these here as well at the store. And I'm just going to wipe this on, brush it on. You know, you can really use whatever you prefer. Like, I really like using brushes. Some you know, traditional wood stain people like to use rags. Some people like to use the foam. You can really use any of those products. It's totally fine. And we do, of course, carry all of those at sweetpieces.com if you're looking where you could possibly find that stuff. So I'm just going to get this all spread out on here. I also have my favorite shop towels handy, and I'm going to be using those in just a second. So this is great, like when you want to do like a two-tone look, if you want to do like a wood top and, you know, a painted bottom, or if you're doing the whole thing wood, whatever suits you. I'm just going to take my rag now, and I'm just going to wipe this back And, you know, you can leave it dark and heavy if you want to. It's really totally your call. So I'm just going to wipe this back a little bit. And this is pine. You know, pine can definitely sometimes give you like a streakiness. This is actually one of the reasons why I didn't use or bring on a traditional wood stain product to the Sweet Pieces line initially, is because whenever I used stain, I always got this very uneven finish. But with this particular product, as long as you use the pre-stain conditioner, you won't have that problem. So now we have this beautiful, rich wood finish. Love it. So this is going to dry within, you know, a couple of hours, and then you can go ahead and apply your top coat. So we carry the high performance top coat. We carry it in flat out flat. We carry it in flat, satin, and gloss. So, you know, within a couple of hours, I could just take this and apply it onto the top, and then I'm completely done with my project. So super easy peasy. Stay tuned for the video on how to apply this product onto previously stained finishes. So like, let's say you have a piece of oak furniture and you don't want it to be oak anymore, light oak. You want it to be more of this rich brown. You can take that piece from light to dark very easily. You don't have to completely strip the surface by using the water-based wood stain. So I want to just show you the difference. This is just another raw piece of wood that we had. I just want to show you the difference not applying the pre-stain conditioner to this wood and then putting the stain on top of it, and we're just going to see a bit of the difference here of what that pre-stain conditioner does. So again, I just took my favorite Klingon brush. These are also great for applying the General Finishes furniture paint. They're amazing. They're just really thick and they hold up really nicely. They drop the paint. They create like a really smooth finish. They're all the rage. Everyone loves them. Give them a try. I'm sure you'll love them too. Okay, so I'm just kind of rubbing this all in, just like I did before. And now I'm going to take my shop towel here, flip it around, and let me just wipe this back. So there must have been something that was like splattered on here. This is like a little bit uneven over here. Like I'm wiping this and you can really see this grain highlighted in here. You can see here, like I'm wiping this back, but it's not coming off. It's a bit uneven. Like even down here, it's very, very heavy. So you can see the difference between these two boards. Let me hold these up side by side. And then even, like I went back over that one with a little bit. I tried to like, because on this board, I could still see the sheen and I could see there was a little bit of stain that needed to be spread. So I just went back over with my brush and kind of spread it out. And you can see that as I'm doing this here, it's not evening it out the same way that it did with that one. It's just a bit more streaky. So you can see the difference between the two. This one is definitely more streaky. This one just looks a bit more even. So, you know, again, it depends on the look that you're going for. If you want it to be more uneven and streaky and, you know, rustic, and you're going to layer a couple different things on top of it, then you may not want to use the pre-stain conditioner. But if you do want more of an even stain, then you definitely, on raw wood, should be using the pre-stain conditioner. And it just makes it really easy, fail-proof. And then also, like, you know, if you have, you know, for us, like we have these random sample boards sitting around, like something might have gotten on here, like, I don't know, could be like a little bit of wax or something on here. So if there's anything on your wood that could potentially, like, not allow the stain to absorb into it, like, evenly, then the pre-stain conditioner is really going to help with that. So you just want to kind of keep that in mind as you're working with your project. But that was just a quick and simple how to use this amazing new product that we're carrying. We are offering currently 25% off of our gel stains. So if you want to get your hands on some of those in the meantime, while we still have them in stock, please feel free to jump on the website and do that. Or pop into the store. We always love to see you guys. And then stay tuned for our video on how to use the water-based wood stain on a pre-finished surface. And also, by the way, we have the water-based wood stain in a bunch of different colors. So espresso is actually the equivalent to Java gel. It's the same color, but it's just in a water-based. So if you want the same color as Java gel stain, then you would want to go with the espresso water-based wood stain. We also have, I love this one, it's gorgeous, gray stone. It's got a tiny bit of brown in, a tiny bit of gray in the brown, which is like all the rage right now. We love that. We also have black, we have tobacco, we have Provincial. Let me just set these out on the table and maybe we can get a shot of these all together. We have lots of them. Walnut, we have whitewash, we have onyx, we have black. Love a good black. Onyx is almost black. Whitewash is pretty cool too. And here's a really nice thing as well. You can also combine these. So if you want to, make walnut a little bit grayer, you could add a little bit of the gray stone to it. You can also layer them together to give you, different colors. So, oh, and here's espresso as well. So definitely play around with these, have fun, and we can't wait to see what you guys are working on. Send us your before and after photos. We love seeing them, and we'll be back soon. Thanks so much for watching.
Thanks for watching. Want to learn more? Subscribe now.